reason why he said that the baby is not his. I now told this guy, I want that lady and you, and I want that lady and this my sister to go and run a DNA test. Do you know what this guy told me? Do you know what he told me? I told him I'm going to sponsor for it. Do you know what this guy told me? He told me, bro, listen, I don't want this thing to go to cause big problem between me and you. Jump sometimes. The lady said it.
Were you given the responsibility?
So you don't have to blame that lady in anywhere.
Okay. Let me submit something.
I don't
One,
like all this.
You wanted to ask a question.
Yeah, I'm going to ask him.
If this lady is your
Number
sister, will
one.
you be here talking
No.
It's a very good question.
Yes, I'm going to answer him. Number one, he said that he talked with he spoke with the guy and he explained all these things, telling him that these are secrets. I never wanted anyone to know. And now he's comfortably there saying all this on a public channel. So it means these are not secrets. Secondly, in Uganda we have a saying that someone who is stronger than you can cane you with a stick which you are holding. This guy said all this.
Listen to me.
I don't want people.
He read animal psychologist. You can see that he's behaving like one. Listen, my brother, listen. He won't even allow me to talk. He won't allow me to talk.
All Africans we are one, but we have categories.
You see?
We have professional people like you. We have psychologists. We have psychologists like me. We have academians.
You read animal psychologist. Animal psychologist. That's what you read. Now listen to me, bro.
Every Nigerian is like that. You talking
more about Nigeria?
No. Talking about Nigeria. You are Uganda.
If you talk one more word about Nigeria,
if you
I will slap you.
Now, what should
Are you
Hey,
stupid?
you can't, my friend.
You can talk
If you,
one. If you talk one more,
if you want to slap me,
Nigeria, I will slap you.
Wait.
Are you stupid?
you can't slap me.
Are you stupid? We
We
are talking about what you did.
You can't.
We are talking about what you did, and you are here. You are accusing Nigeria.
What
brought
brought
Nigeria?
akimanyi mukazi omuyamu ku mwana we ate yeegaana alina omwana omulala talina ajalo na data we otegeera
I can help you as a friend. If you tell me the truth, I can help you as a friend. I can help you the way you.
How can you help me?
I can help you.
How?
Since you cannot accommodate that.
Ekyokutonda omwana ndayiranga ntya Allah sigenda kikola kati kinvuddemu ki mu birowoozo byange sigenda tunda mwana.
Omwami boyfriend oyo tata w'omwana omanyi amannya ge?
Mumanyi.
Wizard of love as usual. Ku Nyondo Media tewerabira naye nga mwenamba sanyu yachiulira. Wizard of love ku Nyondo Media anti nate naye nga mwenamba lamusaako mu linnya lya Mukama waffe Yesu Kristo. Naye nga sinaba kwongera kintu kyonna. Nyondo Glim yetusaamu ssente okubanga tunyirira n'okubanga tulabikako bwe tuti muwagire ekizigo musobole okubanga nammwe munyirira. Nkimanyi waliyo abatwegomba eyo naye nga manyi ga Nyondo Glim. Olunaku olwaleero kyemmanyi ku mukutu gwa Nyondo Media babaddeko mbadde mulaba story etambula eya Abu omwana gwe yafunisa olubuto n'alwegaana. Story mbadde mugimanyi nga bwe badde etambula. So olunaku olwaleero mpise ne muganda wange ono yamanyikiddwa Mark Media and my brother from another mother. Wenjogera bwentyo muba muntegeera. So bagenda kuba beyanjula amannya gaabwe n'okutubuulira ani agamba nti Buche yakoze bojjom n'ali ku side y'omwana omuwala kubanga abamu bakubye omuwala abamu ne bakuba omulenzi naye nga tonawuliza gwakawala obanga tonasala gwakawala soko wuliriza ogwakalenzi katusooke tulabe bano b'ensonga eyo bajoogerako batya tusanyusa empozi nyina okudda mu luzungu mukama hey Jesus munkoze bubi my brother from another mother.
My brother, you're welcome.
You're welcome, bro. This is Nyondo Media.
Yeah,
Hope you already know it.
yeah, I know.
Yeah, so introduce yourself to our viewers.
Okay. Greetings, everyone. I'm Amy by name. I'm from Nigeria, and we are here to clarify something very serious. Although we have settled it, but we are here to clarify it. So that's why we are here. So I greet you all. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, boss. Sebo weyanjule abantu bakwongera okutegeera.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As always, by names of Umar Katumba on Nyondo Media, I welcome you to yet another edition of the English version on Nyondo Media. We've always been doing it in Luganda version, and the vibe has always been high. Let's see if the vibe will remain the same when we tried to rebrand, like to make it international. As you introduced today's topic, I've always been following on Nyondo Media, and I also saw the story of that lady who was trying to sell off the baby, and I was really so touched. But when I followed the story, really I felt like sometimes these ladies are desperate. As I will try to explain as we go.
Okay. Nga nyongera okubajjukiza nti Nyondo Media yesaamu ssente mu programu zino ezibeerako temerabira okuwagira ekizigo. So, manyi kati amubani nkyusa mu lulimi luli olufuutifuuti temuseka. So, my brother, according to the story, these people, they want to know your views. Like, what happened? You understand? Like, are you on the side of the lady or the side of the man?
Well, I'm on the side of the lady because I was there when everything happened. In fact, I personally persuaded this guy to talk this truth. Understand? So I was there when everything happened. So that's the reason why I'm here. I'm here because of the lady. You understand? Because I don't like in a situation somebody will sit somewhere and be using someone's daughter, treating someone's daughter anyhow. Understand? That's why I'm just out to make sure this man completed all the full responsibilities about this lady.
Mr. Emmy is saying that he's here to see that everything is okay. One, he's not among the parents of the lady. I don't remember the name of the lady. Secondly, he did not take time to listen to the story of the guy, to the story of Abu, why this happened to be like this. Kyengezako gamba nti Emmy teyatwala budde kuwuliriza ku story yani yamulenzi. You know, these people sometimes they come as helpers, like they want to help someone, but they also have intentions. You get, you know, this is not like it's happening only in Uganda. It happens in many countries, whereby when a man finds any girl in problem, he pretends like he's coming to help, but he also has other intentions. Maybe after the problem, he also want to go in love affairs with what? With this lady. So we don't know also his what? We don't know also his intentions. Secondly, if Mr. M is saying that he's on what is the name of the lady? Emmy, you know the name of the lady?
I don't know this lady.
Okay, let's use let's use that narrative of lady.
Well, brother.
First wait and I complete.
Okay.
Saying that you're on the side of the lady, you did not take time to listen to the guy's side. How do you know that whether this lady is also wrong? First of all, what? No. First of all, let me first explain. First of all, I consider this lady to be too much desperate of the highest order and also not taking care of herself. and also hating herself for no reason. Why? If you are coming from Uganda to Dubai to look for a job, you should have priorities. What brought me in Dubai? Was it getting someone to fall into love with? Was it getting pregnant? Well, someone is coming in to help me. But if someone is coming in to help me, why should he first sleep with me? This lady is above 18. She knows all the results which come after sleeping with someone. You get my point? She knows all the results. And she was very normal. She was not drunk by the time she positioned herself into the guy's what? Gun. So she knew what will be the outcome, and later she's coming crying to us, and not even crying to us only, and also opening up a retail shop selling babies. She wants to sell her baby, and you say that you're on the side of that fool? No way.
So, brother, as you listen to his views, he's
But
really
now,
annoyed.
after listening to my explanation, he doesn't even have anything to say.
Let him talk. Maybe
Okay,
he has
let's-
views
let-
too,
let
you
him
understand?
say, let him
So, brother, what do you say?
Well, I have one question to ask you, brother.
Ask-
You.
Yes.
I have one question, just one, few questions to ask you. One, you don't know this lady in question, right?
I don't know her physically,
Okay.
but after explaining to me all her history and what she did, then I can
All right.
and degree the level of her
1
brain.
minute, yes or no is the question here. You don't
The
know this.
moment-
You don't
I'll
know
teach
this.
you one thing. I'll teach you one thing, Amy. The moment someone tries to slap you, it means that person has slapped you.
You see now, you
So
don't
the
even
moment
want
this
me.
lady-
You don't even
the
want
moment
me
this
to
lady
talk.
got that idea of selling the
You
baby,
see?
she doesn't have.
Is this
she
how
has
you want
no
us to?
moral authority
Is
stand
this?
in front
Is
of
this?
us to say anything.
Is this how you want the interview to go?
How can a lady, all ladies are considered
1
to be
minute.
bad.
Allow me, audience. Give
Bro,
me,
I'm sorry about
give me
it.
time.
Hey.
I want to say
I want
something.
to tell my brother one thing. Let him first hear. We have our mottos in Uganda, which we
Don't bring
You know what? You know why I'm laughing. You know why I'm laughing. You know why I'm laughing. Because
because you are on the wrong side. That's why you are laughing. You
because
want to cross
I'm
to
laughing
come on my
because
side.
you are also, you are very funny. All these things you are saying here is fucking funny. One, you are not there.
Tell him to clear
You
his
did not
language.
see this lady. You are not there with that lady. You are not there. You did not see that guy in question. You don't even know anything. Just because you read content.
Let me explain to him.
Just because you read
You know why
content
he's sick? You know
and
why
you
he's
come
saying
here
this?
to come here to challenge me.
You know why he's saying
Okay,
this?
just give me you ask me a question. You ask me
know
a
why he's
question.
saying this?
You ask me a question, right? Okay.
You know why he's saying
Wait.
this?
You ask me a question.
Okay.
Calm down. My brother. This person you are defending now. Are you defending this person that you know you know this guy very well, or that as in that you are 100% sure that the guy is right?
We don't defend
Or-
the people depending on how far we've seen them or on how far we know them. It depends
But
on
me,
how right they
I
are.
am here defending because I have seen.
You are
So
here
you
to
know the
defend.
guy and the lady.
You are no.
I have seen them. I'm the one that made the guy to talk truth.
You are here.
You understand?
You are here.
Okay, I want to say
You are
something.
here
Do
to
you
defend
know?
the lady
Do you know
because
that
expect
this
to fall
guy,
in love with
this
her?
guy in question you are defending,
Yes,
came
be-
to me because I happen to have a flat where this guy is staying. Understand? The guy came to me secretly after all these things happened. Understand? No one knows about it. He came to me and said, "Bro, I'm so sorry for what happened. Forgive me, please. Don't throw me out of this house because of this thing that happened. I know that you are not happy with me, but I'm so sorry." See, I will tell you, sorry, after saying that, I told him, "Bro, the only way I'm going to forgive you is for you to tell me everything you know about this thing.
To talk the truth.
I know you are feeling shy to say so many things that was in your mind that particular day. I want you to tell me the truth now that we are sitting privately about this particular lady. Then this guy in question started telling me, saying, bro, see, this lady, I'm the one that got job for this lady. This job, I had an agreement with these people. And these people told me that this lady can never go out except her vacation period, period day. Period. This is what this man told me. That he is not ready to start fathering a child. That was the reason why he said that the baby is not his. I now told this guy, I want that lady and you, and I want that lady and this my sister to go and run a DNA test. Do you know what this guy told me? Do you know what he told me? I told him I'm going to sponsor for it. Do you know what this guy told me? He told me, bro, listen, I don't want this thing to go to cause big problem between me and you. That's why I'm telling you the truth. The truth is that that lady can never go out of that place except her vacation period. Okay, I now ask this guy, did you touch that lady before she went to work? The guy said yes. I asked him how many times? The guy said 2 times. This is man to man. This is secret conversation between me and that guy in question. The guy said yes, that he touched the lady 2 times before he went to this place. 1 minute, I'm coming. I'm coming. 1 minute. I'm done already. 1 minute. No, it's not a story. I just want to tell you things that you don't know. My brother, I want to tell you things that you don't know. Then after this guy told me this, I said, oh, you slept with her 2 times? The guy said yes. But why are you denying that this pregnancy is not for you? The guy said, bro, you don't have to blame me. I'm a man. I don't want to father a child now. But I told him, but you know how to fuck. You don't want to father a child, but you know how to fuck. Right? That's what I asked him. The guy now told me, okay, bro, I have already accepted to take good care of my responsibilities. But please don't throw me out. Understand? Because I promised him that day that I will follow this case to the last to make sure that this lady did not suffer because of this alone. So you understand? So the man now accepted and told me, Amy, I'm sorry for everything. It's my fault. The baby is mine. Why I say this thing is because of you that is here defending someone you don't even know, someone you have not even met one-on-one, just because
Let me,
this. Do you know that this girl? Do you know that this girl pregnancy, this girl period, used to jump sometimes? The lady said it.
Were you given the responsibility?
So you don't have to blame. You don't have to blame that lady in anywhere.
Okay.
Let me submit something.
I don't
One,
like all this.
You wanted to ask a question.
Yeah, I'm going to ask him.
If this lady is your
Number
sister, will
one.
you be here talking
No.
It's a very good question.
Yes, I'm going to answer him. Number one, he said that he spoke with the guy and he explained all these things, telling him that these are secrets. I never wanted anyone to know. And now he's comfortably there saying all this on a public channel. So it means these are not secrets. Secondly, in Uganda we have a saying that someone who is stronger than you can cane you with a stick which you are holding. This guy said all this because you told him you will throw him out of the house. So it was not of any benefit for him
My brother,
to
listen-
tell the
my
truth,
brother, listen
other
to me.
than he had to say
Listen to me.
something which
Listen to
will
me. Let me tell
make
you
you happy.
something,
And
right?
that one was to accept that he's the one
We
who
are
pregnanted
here-
the
we are-
lady.
We are here for peaceful.
If we go far, if we go far, if we go, you know me, I have a degree in, you know me, I have a degree in psychology. I have, me, I have a degree in psychology. I have a degree in psychology. I've seen many bosses. I've seen, let me speak also, let me speak also. Let me also say something. Yeah, let me say something also. I have a degree in psychology. I've seen many bosses. Can I say something? Can I say something? No, first wait, let me, I gave him time to submit, right?
Where is this psychologist?
Me? Bro, I have a degree in psychology.
Let him prove
And my being, I have a degree in psychology, and this one cannot only be proved by my certificate, but I can also give you my certificate number, and you check it on Google from the institute where I had it from. Secondly, I'll submit this one.
The school that gave you that certificate.
I'll tell you this one. I've seen many bosses. I've seen many bosses who pregnant their maids, and at the same time, let me submit.
The person I
Can I submit?
Submit.
Can you protect me from this guy? I've seen many bosses who have pregnanted their maids, and later, because they don't want to be ashamed in the public, they end up giving these pregnancies to the gate man, because the gate mans are scared of being thrown away from their jobs. They accept, yes, I'm the owner of the maid. There is possibility of Amy being the father of this baby.
This guy came to my house.
But because this guy is your
The guy is
tenant,
not under pressure.
because
I did not tell him I'm
Bro.
going to chase you out.
the guy is on pressure, he's scared.
He told me, boss, I know you are angry with me. I know you are now trying to planning to chase me
Wizard,
out because
you
of
know,
this.
the only way out is when we find free accommodation for this guy called Abu. But for time when he's still sheltered by this guy,
So you
he will
mean-
never speak the truth.
So you
He will
mean-
only say whatever Amy wants to hear. There is possibility of possibilities of Amy being the father of this baby. I'm telling you the truth.
Asking a question.
And this, maybe Abu is just positioning himself to be the father of this baby because Amy is the one sheltering him. What is the, yes, there is possibilities of you being the father of that baby.
How is it? All these things, how is it? As in,
Maybe,
all these things, I'm just trying to as in,
bro, I've seen many people who
It's
have
not my
tried to
business.
come as helpers, but at the end of the day, they have their own intentions. There is no
not
way
my
he can
business.
come here and he lied to us.
Tukakane. Let's slow down. Tukyagenda maaso ne programu naye kanyongera okuyisaawo nti Nyondo Glim yesamu sente mu programu eno. Tukyagenda maaso ne programu ya
Bro, I'm a psychologist. I'm a
search on
psychologist
Google.
by
That school
profession. I
needs
can
to
tell
be
you
closed.
whatever you are thinking now.
That school
Okay.
needs to be closed.
Really, I can tell you what you are thinking.
Mac
Today is my
Media.
first to see,
Mac-
first time to see
Mac
you,
Media.
but I can
How
even
can
tell
you
you what
support
kind of
evil?
job you are
Mac
doing in
Media.
Dubai.
So you
This is
think
just-
the lady is the problem?
Yeah, the lady is the problem, first of all.
Yeah.
Before you come from Uganda to Dubai, you have to know what is the reason as to why I'm coming to Dubai. Did I come to Dubai to get job? Did I come to Dubai to be pregnant?
Let me ask you a question. Just a simple question.
He's
not
not
about
whatever he's speaking is not true.
This is how you know people that
Even now he's
that
the
you
son
know.
of the lady.
This is how
He
you know
knows that the
that
lady
this
is
guy did not even go to school. This guy did not go to
Can you
school.
please tell me which kind of charity organization you are coming from if you are saying that
Now
you are,
listen
you
to
did
me.
this one just
Listen
Okay,
to me.
listen.
Do you
Listen
own
to
any
me.
charity organization
Listen
in
to me.
Dubai?
Let me say something, bro.
Cool down, bro.
Do you know that some people will come from that the first day, as in they will put visa for some people to come this UAE. Immediately they landed in the airport, they will be abandoned from that place.
Yeah, there are
Do
many
you know
people,
this
yeah.
one?
I know this one.
And they can't do anything. Once this person as in, once someone brought you here, you are under that person. You are novice. You don't know anything. Understand? You will be living with fear, unless you are a traveler before. But this guy is not a traveler. This guy is just this is her first traveling. The guy have no experience. Understand? So the guy is the guy is under fear that maybe if I did not accept this guy might throw me out. And you are here talking, saying that you read. If you talk about this your education background again, I will change it for you.
Bro,
I swear.
Whatever you are
Don't
saying,
get me angry.
cannot change
Don't get me
from
angry.
being
So you
I
mean he
swear.
has to go back to school, eh?
No, he have to start from primary 1, O level. What is this? How can you support evil? You see evil black and white, that this is not good, this is not right, and you are here supporting it. For what?
I request
Is this
Mr.
how
Emmy.
my brother, is this how
I request Mr. Emmy to handle me
your
politely,
countrymen behave?
because in 2 days from now,
Now,
you
is
will
this
ask
how
for
your
my support
country?
from a
In fact,
Not all of us, bro.
now what is this?
Not all of us, bro.
What
Bro.
is this?
I will,
So-
first of all, I want to inform to Mr. Emmy to handle me politely. In 2 days, or maybe even not more, not even 2 days, he will ask for my support since I'm a psychologist. For sure. I'm a psychologist by profession. He knows that whatever I'm speaking is true. I'm telling you. Even away at work, at my job, they are using this opportunity to read the minds of the customers. The moment he stood here, I read his minds.
You read nothing. You read nothing.
I know his purpose.
You know
being
nothing.
an evildoer.
You don't even know what
Because he's a
you
landlord.
know.
I
You
know
don't know
whatever
nothing.
advantages he
You don't know
takes
anything.
Okay,
through his
You
position
don't know
as a
anything that
landlord.
is in my mind.
let's cool down.
I don't support evil. Ask everybody that know me very well. I
Bro.
don't support evil.
Okay, let's cool down.
Being an
Sometimes I will
evildoer
see.
is in heart.
Do you know how many times I have met Pakistani people maltreating Uganda, Kenya, Nigeria on the road? I stood and finished all of them. Even sometimes I will stand and call police. So it's not. This is very simple case. And you are here trying to defend something you saw that is very clear. You are here defending.
What is clear? There
My
is no
brother,
evidence
my
of what
brother,
you are
let me
saying.
tell you the truth.
First of all,
Let me tell you
what
the
you are
truth.
saying, okay, you are saying this
My brother,
under
you are-
which position?
You are just.
Bro,
You are
I'm
just.
standing
Let
here
me.
as a psychologist. You are
Psycholo-
saying all this under which
Psychology
position?
oyagala
Are you
kulwana.
under a political?
Okay.
Are you
Sit
under a
down.
charity organization?
You
Yeah, I'm
did
saying
you
whatever
read
I'm saying
this your
as a
psychologist?
psychologist.
This your psychologist.
I'm a psychologist
This
by
your
profession.
this-
You want to doubt
okay,
my
okay.
profession?
Wait, this
Okay.
your psychologist. Is it
want
about
to
who?
dilute
Is
all
it
the
about
time I
human
spent
being
in
or about animal?
Uh-huh.
You want to dilute
I
all the
don't
money I
understand.
spent?
Answer
Did
the
you
question.
read
Go for my
psychologist
degree.
About human being or about animal?
You want to disrespect my
Repeat
degree?
repeat
Maybe-
the question. Repeat the question.
This your psychologist that you are claiming that you read. Is it about human being or animal?
I want to ask my brother.
Answer the question, bro.
I stand on this panel as a psychologist. For him,
Did you-
he's
did
standing
you
on
have the
this.
question?
Yes, I'm standing here as a Ugandan, as a psychologist. He's standing here as just a mere Nigerian. It's not worth it to be on.
Oh, okay, okay. Because I'm a Nigerian. Yeah. Okay. Because I'm a Nigerian. That's why. That's why you are trying to defend your fellow Ugandan men
No, but
for
but
the
I'm
evil
not
that he
Ugandan.
did.
So I'll ask you a
My
question.
brother,
You think
my
because you
brother,
helped the lady
my
now she
brother,
changed nationality,
my
now
brother,
she's a Nigerian?
listen to me. You are Nigeria, you are Uganda, you are Kenya, you are Morocco.
nationality.
All Africans are one. For me,
Bro.
my brother,
Bro,
wait,
you
let me
cannot-
finish.
don't
Let me
make-
finish.
Bro, you
Let me
make
finish.
speakers, you make, people to make
For me,
mistakes. Even in
Motivational
COVID time,
speaker and
why-
listen to me.
I don't want people.
He read animal psychologist. He read animal psychologist. You can see that he's behaving like one. Listen, my brother, listen. He won't even allow me to talk. He won't allow me to talk.
Then all Africans we are one, but we have categories.
You see?
We have professional people like you. We have psychologists. We have psychologists like me. We have academians.
You read animal psychologist. Animal psychologist. That's what you read. Now listen to me, bro. This thing that you are saying now. Yeah?
Let me ask you one thing. You came here to defend this lady because you want to be on a national TV, or you came here because you have evidence? Tell me.
Okay. Let me answer. No, let me answer you what you ask. You ask me a question. Let me answer you. Do you know what they begged me before I appear here?
We don't know.
Bro, if you're saying that you came
Listen
to help,
me.
why they have to first beg you?
I have work that I'm doing.
No one begged me to come here, but I saw the story.
It's you that is trying to be popular. You that is trying to be popular. You read animalistic psychologist. Animal psychologist. You are the one trying to be popular. You saw something. They wrote something. You read a comment. You decided to bring everybody here to defend. You decided to bring everybody here to defend evil. You are the one trying to appear on camera.
You don't know how many nights I spent in Makerere to graduate for this profession.
You graduated in animal psychologist. I know you are a graduate in animal field. I know.
Okay. On the same panel with someone who doesn't have any profession, who is just a Nigerian by birth.
Do you know what? For me, listen to me. For me as a Nigerian to stay here, defending a Ugandan girl that is not my girlfriend, nothing, no ring, no link at all, is to show you that I'm a straightforward person. But you are standing here defending evil, saying you read animal psychologist. You read animal psychologist. Let me tell you the truth. You're supposed to be arguing with goat, not human being.
I'll tell you.
They're supposed to bring goat here. You will be arguing because that's what you read. I'm telling you. Not human being.
No, let me make my last submission.
How can
as a psychologist by profession, yes.
That thing is giving me headache. Eh?
Yes, because you have jealousy. You don't have any profession. This is the result.
Okay, back to the point.
This is the result.
Back to the
yes.
point, bro.
He's saying, see, now he's getting headache of my degree.
Okay.
Now you have jealousy on my father who paid my school fees. Okay, let me submit this as a psychologist.
Any school that gave you that degree need to be closed.
Let me submit this as a psychologist.
You said
and a professional analyst.
Very well. Animal psychologist.
No.
Pronounce it
Let
well.
me submit this.
Analyst.
Yeah, no, I'm submitting this as a psychologist and an analyst. Since first I made a mistake. First I made a mistake to sit on the same panel with just a normal person who doesn't hold any degree.
Did you ask?
I read URP is urban and regional planning.
The only certified.
This my course, psychologist that you are claiming to be read. That's animal psychologist that you read. Eh?
Bro.
My one is human psychologist.
Okay, let me submit also. Let me submit also.
To my course.
I made a mistake. To sit with Emmy on the same panel because I'm a psychologist. The only certified document he holds is only a SIM card in his names.
How can you people?
And the reason as to why.
Back
Listen,
to the
bro,
point.
If you people want
Yes,
to
okay.
do interview,
Let
you
him.
do-
Let
this
him.
kind
Let,
of
let
person-
him. Let
you
me
go-
also
you
say
go
something.
to-
Oyagala
My brother,
kutula
listen
No, let me also say something.
Chairman, 1 minute.
Let me
If
also
you
say
people
something.
Want to argue or ask questions? Ask questions about this kind of thing with this kind of person. You go Rakasaima. You buy goat. This goat with long ear that is doing. This man.
Okay.
You shoot that goat.
Let me submit
This
my.
man,
Let me give my last submission.
Next time I should bring goat.
Yeah, you have to.
Let me give
bring
my.
goat.
Let me give my last submission.
What is this?
Please, management of Nyondo Media, whenever you tend to host me on your channel,
You are
don't host me with people
He is proud
with
to
the
be
same
here.
kind
He is
of
proud.
understanding.
You are proud to
Secondly,
be here. You are
the
very-
reason as to why.
You are proud.
Okay, back to the point.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm giving the last submission. I'm giving the last submission. This is my last submission as a psychologist.
Okay, your last submission.
You have made
As a psychologist, a Ugandan
Hey,
psychologist by
please
profession.
stop this psychologist. Put
My
animal. If you want to call psychologist, put animal.
He's just-
Well, you are a psychologist.
Okay.
You are a psychologist.
Back to the
He's
point.
Are you
being
singing
a
with your
psychologist?
Okay,
position?
back to the point. Psychologist to be we
This
put
is my
it up
last submission.
aside. So back to the point. You said
He wants to doubt my profession.
the lady
I agree.
she's
though.
wrong.
You
Hey,
read
yeah.
psychology.
And for
You
him-
read.
The lady is wrong.
And
But
for
it's
him is
animal field.
saying the man.
See, now this is one of his fan. He's our fan. He's asking, really, this guy in black is understanding very well? Because he's seeing him defending on the wrong side.
Abali ku Nyondo Media tubadde twogera ku nsonga ya Abu kyemmanyi mwagirabye
But I have to give my last
ebyatuuseewo.
submission.
Yes, ogenda
Yeah.
kugiwa
Eh,
ebyatuuseewo.
as an analyst,
He have nothing to submit.
what I have
This
analyzed,
man have nothing to talk.
my last
What did you
submission-
analyze?
Off point.
And I'm telling you, my submission is in 6 words, count them.
Okay, 6
The
words.
reason
Make
as
it
to why
100.
Mr. Emi, a Nigerian by birth, is supporting this poor lady, the distracted lady, is because he has a feeling that if I support this lady, maybe I will get citizenship of Ugandan and I hold a Ugandan passport.
Is that the mission? Is that the
That is
mission?
very wrong.
You see why I told
Now
you.
he's laughing
You see
because
why I
said
told
the
you.
truth.
You see, he will not allow me to talk now. You
Because
see,
will believe-
you
have will 6 believe words me.
to clarify.
you have said your own. Allow me to talk.
Is that your
Okay.
mission, bro?
Okay, because I want to get Uganda.
His dream is to become a Ugandan citizen.
Is that why you're defending the lady?
Hey,
Now
Oh
he
my
wants
God.
to keep the videos.
You
He
see
wants
why
to
I
keep
say that-
documents when he comes to Uganda. You see, I was
my
demanding
brother,
also your
listen to me.
citizenship.
Listen to me. You see why I said if you are coming here next time, you try to buy goat. You keep that goat. The goat will sit with this man and be talking. You see? You see? Okay, let me ask you. Is Ugandan passport? I want to ask you a question. Is Ugandan passport more powerful and respectful and fearful and more popular in the whole world than Nigerian passport?
This is
You
what
see
I
now you are
believe
sounding like a cow.
as a psychologist.
You see now you are sounding like a
As a
cow.
psychologist.
Now you see psychologist. You are coming with your psychologist
As a
again.
psychologist,
My brother, listen
need
to
that
me.
you ask me
Listen to me. I'm a straightforward person.
same like
I
you.
don't lie. You are not a straightforward person.
I'm open.
You are a liar.
I'm open.
In fact, you are not a. You are
You see this phone here?
you just want to be.
Okay.
You just want to be firm.
Okay,
You see my phone here?
leave the
I'll show
psychologist
you
alone.
5
So-
Nigerian friends.
What
He will
is
never
wrong?
leave it, or he will still be saying it.
He will leave.
Okay, let's
So,
see.
Tell the people of Nyondo Media about the lady, like, give your views, advice.
What will he say on what he doesn't know?
You see, I told
Tell
you
him
this
lie
man.
is the people of
I told
Nyondo
you.
Media. Mugamba
I
alabirire.
told you.
Kind
He
of
will
a
never
reason.
allow me to talk.
Let him talk.
I will
I'll
only-
bring the mic back to you.
I will only
speak
allow
yours.
him to talk when he has something to say.
Yeah, he has.
No, he doesn't.
I
have
told
something.
you this is not a human being. This man.
Okay.
I don't have anything to say,
He
but
doesn't.
I'm saying wait, let me talk. But
No,
I don't have
his
anything to say.
intention- His intention is to acquire a Ugandan passport. You know that. I'm speaking this as a
No, you should
psychologist.
give advice according to your views. because you're
Okay.
defending the lady. Yeah.
What I have to say here is that Ugandan men, not lady. They are ladies. Ugandan ladies are good. I will tell you the truth. It's not about this whole thing that is happening. In this UAE, few Ugandan ladies I have met, they are good. They are well in doing, they are good in fact.
In everything.
To their husband, everything. They know how to handle their husband, their boyfriend, in a special way.
Have you ever been with a Ugandan lady? Because
I have
see the
friends.
way you're
I have
thinking,
friends
eh?
that have Ugandan ladies, and
Why don't you get one?
I have so many Ugandan friends. Men, male, not women. So I know a lot about Uganda because I'm also an old man in this country. You understand? I know when Uganda started coming here. Understand? So I know a lot about Ugandans. It is very hard to see a Nigerian man that doesn't have Ugandan girlfriend.
Yeah.
But the only thing about Ugandan ladies is that if they are dating you as a Nigerian man, they must have Ugandan boyfriend that they are in love
I
with.
think now you can.
You understand?
You can realize that I'm a professional psychologist.
Okay, you will.
He's on the side of the lady because he wants to date also the lady
No,
because, as
if-
per their understanding, no any Nigerian man will
see,
live in
my
Dubai
brother.
without
But
an
he
a
said
Ugandan
My brother.
girlfriend.
Has been with Ugandans for too long.
My brother, you have to.
You also
You have
heard
to
his
make sure.
submission.
You
He
have
said
to make sure.
Ugandan ladies are
You-
good
my
in
brother,
domestic,
listen.
are good in bed. He
Listen.
submitted himself.
My brother, you have to make sure when next you are sitting with this guy. I keep repeating this.
I remember that.
Try to buy a big goat. If possible, buy cow. To sit with this guy. I'm telling you the truth. Not about all these things this guy is saying.
Okay, go on.
I'm
Go on.
saying something
I will
that
make
is
sure that you don't
open.
get a Ugandan passport. I will make sure.
So you
I know
think
this is your
You
intention.
think that is his
But
target?
you will not get it. I know this is your target.
Okay, let him finish. I'll give you the mic.
I know this is his target.
Okay.
I know. I know his.
I don't even know why I'm arguing with you. Because the more I argue with you,
Don't
the
argue
more
with him.
people will be thinking that maybe I'm going insane. You understand? You don't have to argue. It's like when go to set here and be doing bah, 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 and I will be here saying, baby, come and eat, come and eat. He will be doing bah, bah. I will be speaking English to him to come and eat food.
I request.
Understand? So our discussion is our understanding is totally off. Understand? Nothing linked at all. So all I have to say is that this Ugandan, to tell you the truth, Ugandan ladies, I don't have any much thing to say about them. They are good. The only bad thing I see in them, if they are in love with you as a Nigerian man,
It is a must they have to do with the
they
Ugandan
must
man.
have Ugandan boyfriend, side chick, side man, or was it side man that they love so much. I'm telling you the truth. This is what I have noticed in several occasions. But in terms of why Nigerians love Ugandan ladies, go for them is because they have home training. Understand?
Yeah.
They have this wife material character. Almost all of them. unlike our other countries' ladies. I'm telling you the truth. About Ugandan men, I like them also. They are gentle. They don't like problem.
What about the
They are. This one is it a human being? I don't know. I don't know if this one is human. This is my first time to see a Ugandan man like this. I'm telling you the truth. Ugandan men are known for gentleness.
Like me.
Very gentle. You can hardly see a Ugandan man anywhere having issue with anybody. I'm telling you the truth. I know they dupe their girls, they do a lot of things, but they don't do it to other nationalities. It's just within them. And if you see them, they don't have that mind to hurt someone. Unlike us. Now we be violence now. If you want violence, Nigeria will give you ×2. If you want peace, they will give you. If you want crazy, madness, anyone you need, they have it. But this my first time. This man is not Uganda. This man need to go DNA test. This man need to go DNA test. Maybe. This man is from. Maybe this man is from another country, not Uganda. Maybe Arabic blood touched this man. I'm telling you the truth.
Yeah. Okay. One word to the ladies.
So all I have to say is that any man all I have to say about Ugandan men, if you know that, I know we are all men, understand? When you are growing up, you will like to cut that. Your blood will be hot to enjoy, to explore, enjoy life, you know. But at a time, there is some age you will reach. You will see that all those things are rubbish. You need to calm down and focus. Choose the right person. Like me, I can never date you if you are not good for marriage. Because I know tomorrow I might pregnant you. If I pregnant you, I can't deny it. I date a lady that is good for marriage. If you are not good for me for marriage, I can never date you. For me to date you, you must be good for me in case something happened tomorrow. I must stood by you and defend you. You understand? But in terms of all this, in terms of this UAE, things that are happening here make so many people to be misbehaving. But if you meet good ones, you will know that this person is good. From the character, you will know. Okay. You understand? So I want to tell them to keep being good. Ugandan ladies, let them keep being good ladies that they are. Understand? But their men should also learn how to care for their women. I'm sorry to say this, bro. You people should learn how to care for. You don't know what you have. I'm telling you the truth. You guys don't know what you have. You guys should be proud of your ladies. When I mean proud, very, very proud. If you look now, all Ugandan ladies are diverting to Nigerians.
Psychology, are you hearing that?
Look, my brother, 1 minute. If you look now, all Ugandan ladies are diverting to Nigerians. If you people did not do something now, in the next 6 years,
I think we will get a program.
Ugandans ladies will be difficult for you guys to hold. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. I think we will get a program for that. about why Ugandan ladies, you leave us, mutulekao mbwamwe, and you go with Nigerians. So, submit.
My submission will be less words.
Okay.
As a psychologist, a professional person, academia. First of all, I want to say sorry, a very big sorry to my lecturers in Makerere who contributed to my graduation, to graduating as a psychologist.
We are not talking about your profession.
I know, because of my achievement, many people are jealousy.
Your achievement, which
They told them to go to school.
psychology.
They were busy in Lagos playing around with young girls, spending the small nailas they have. But for me, my father, he sacrificed and he made sure that I become a psychologist by profession.
Apart from
And I'm here making him proud.
I know.
let's put that
And
aside.
the reason as to why this man, whom I said the only certified document he has is a SIM card which is under his names. May I hold a psychologist degree? The reason as why he's defending Ugandan ladies, I told you, one, he wants to acquire Ugandan passport.
No, leave about him.
Two,
So we are talking about
the reason as to why these Nigerian men, they go in for Ugandan ladies because they know these ladies come from Uganda when they're already married. So they gang with these Nigerian people to steal the wealth of the husband in Uganda. I know. In fact, I request Nyondo Media to make this one the next program. And for now, as I said, I have less words. By names of Wuuno Abu on Nyondo Media, thank you for supporting our channel. I beg to submit. Good night, everyone.